look familiar? This is the long-awaited video of the entire defrost prism. I haven't done a dedicated video this complex, so let's do that right now. Starting off, we got this Bryant Legacy line. I think it's a 2008 model. Oh look, there's the panel for the Comfortmaker. Yeah, it's an 08 2.5 ton. This is the panel from an old Comfortmaker that used to be here. Hey, look at that old schematic. Check that out. That's cool as hell. Yeah, it was a 1986 1.5 ton. That's freaking cool. That Bryant right there replaced it. There's a Carrier Performance. This replaced a 2016 Air Temp after not even 10 years. Scary. 1903. But yeah, there's the 812 Bryant. This replaced a 86 1.5 ton Comfortmaker, as shown by that old panel right there. Got the sweat blades. Copeland scroll. It's got the new Copeland logo that the 2025 plus Copelands have. Yeah, 2025 2-ton. Got a little Amstan silver heat pump in there. Only God knows what year. Now tell me, because I can't see that. Got a Payne right here. That just kicked on. 2024 Trane. That replaced a 97 2-ton York. This 2024 2-ton Trane, actually this is a higher efficiency one, that replaced an 05 Carrier Performance. Anyways, back to that rust bucket Payne. Yeah, these rust like crazy. They're honestly not great units in my opinion. This is a motherfucker 2013 1.5 ton. Got a little comfort right here. 2014 2-ton. There's a rotary Goodman that was put in recently. This replaced a 2013 Payne 2025 2-ton. Yeah, it's got a Retchie in there. Bryant Legacy line. Some of y'all might know this replaced a 2000 Carrier Tech 2000 heat pump. Yeah, 2023. Got a Payne right here. I don't know if that compressor's even on. Oh no, it is. It's just very quiet. So it's an 11 1.5 ton. And I got a little ICP back here. Oh, I got a lot of stuff. 2018. Two startups. But yeah. On to the next alcove. It's changed a lot since I got that one video here. Here's this alcove, which some of y'all might recognize. Got a little silver running. 2020 1.5 ton. This is that 04 Rheem that I got defrosting on a really cold morning about 2 years ago. Actually, yeah, 2 years ago when I was a sophomore in high school. I used to like just wait around in these alcoves, see which units would go into defrost. I'd come here early in the morning. I'd just camp out in here until you know when to defrost, and I'd start filming. Or I'd have my camera set up and wait for it to go in. Oh my god, I was wilding back then. Yeah, it's a little 2004 1.5 ton. This 2000 Bryant that I got defrosting. Anyways, where was I? I think I was at the 2000 2-ton Bryant. Anyways, I got this one defrosting a while back. Yeah, it's got a little CR in there. I don't think it's been running. 2000 2-ton. There's that CPLE I got defrosting around the same time, this one has a bit of a crazy story. It was actually scroll swapped. Some jackass put a
R410A Copeland scroll, if you can see the numbers.
Fucker.
Yeah, it's kind of being annoying right now, but that is indeed an R410A scroll compressor. You can see the 410A use only. Oh, there you go.
Okay, I'm not going to fight with it. It's wasting time. Anyways, it's a little 2003 1.5 ton. They lost the cap. They lost their shredder caps. They lost the service valve cap. Yeah, jack-like work. That's not going to be there much longer. Got a big freaking Payne right here. This is like an 08. Oh, 2.5 ton. Yeah, 2008, 2.5 ton. Got this 04 Ruud Achiever, which my friend Gabriel got this one starting up. Alright, yeah, he got it starting up a while back. He was here. Yeah, I gotta be really careful here. Yeah. This one always used to freeze up in the winter. I remember. Anyways, got these two classics right here. 2-ton 2019. 2023, if I remember right. Yeah, 2023. This one's actually a 2-stage one. It's got a ZPS compressor. It's got a ZPS compressor. Copeland ZPS K7, I think. Anyways, back to the Vivio. I remember I really wanted to get this one defrosting a few winters ago, but that never happened. 2004 2-ton. Got a seer on it. Oh, Copeland. Yeah, I got this Goodman defrosting that same morning I got that 04 Rheem. It's this little CPLE from 2002. Got an old Bristol reciprocating compressor. I think it's an H29. Yeah, I think. H29 indeed. Yeah, 02, 1.5 ton. Anyways. That's about it for this alcove right here. Y'all are probably gonna recognize these ones. Got a loud freaking Payne right here. That's muy bien. 2010, 1.5 ton. Here's a York right here. Okay, just fired up. This replaced a 2005 1.5 ton Carrier Tech 2000 or Comfort 10. Same, just the name that changes. It's still the same unit fundamentally. Model 38 YKC Anyways, 2024 1.5 ton. Yeah, I got the unit starting up back in I think 2023 or 24, along with this rotary Goodman, which sounded absolutely nothing. 2018 2-ton. Yeah. This Rheem replaced a 2006 Trane, which I remember I got a clip of it years and years ago when I filmed this whole alcove. It's not even right there. This one's got a Copeland 2025 2-ton. Got a little Comfort right here for the base series. 1.5 ton 2010. Got a rattly freaking Heil Performance, or Max Performance, should I say? This is a 2001 1.5 ton. Very rattly. Trash bag. Just chilling. Nice. Got a little 98 Goodman right here. Got a Bristol compressor, H29B. Just beautiful Bristol, believe me. 1998 1.5 ton. Oh. There's the top emblem from that Heil. bring it back to its glory. I guess, bro. Now just put it there. It's cracked and missing its prongs. Point. Anyways, got 3 comforts. I think this is a 2015 or 13. Yeah, no, this is a 14. What am I yapping about? This was the 2015, I think. Lies, 2013. Blasphemy. This one's a 2023. Replaced a 2014 Trane that would always freeze up in the winter. I wonder why that got replaced. This is the 2015. Yes, this is indeed the 2015. Yeah, there's this big freaking Heil Max Performance. I think Max Performance 12. Tag's starting to fade pretty bad, but it's a 2002, 2.5 ton. This is actually a Max Performance 10, my bad. It's just a big one, 2.5 ton. Very mid-high logo. Anyways, that's it for this one. On to the next one. Here's a few familiar faces. Remember these. That's the 04 Goodman, that's the 06 York. That's the 09 Trane in the back. That's the 2010 XB13. I remember like a few summers ago, I was just straight camping out in here for like 30 minutes waiting for startups. I was a wild freaking child. Got a Goodman CPLE, or wild high schooler, not necessarily a child, but whatever. Definitely not a normal teenager, that's for sure. Very concerning individual. Yeah, this 04 CPLE has a CR. I got it starting up a while back. Somebody lost their caps. Nice. It's a 2004 2-ton CPLE. Has just a little bit of little tidbit right here. CPLE 24-1 with no letter has a Bristol compressor. CPLE 24-1A I think has a Bristol. CPLE 24-1B has a Copeland. Still has the Bahama beige paint job. I think this model was only made in 2004. And the final revision, CPLE 24-1C, has a Copeland CR, and it has a new architectural gray paint job that Goodman introduced in late 2004. Anyways, yap aside, here's the 06 2-ton York that I got starting up when I was camping out in here. Yeah, 06 2-ton. It's got a very rounded benchmark, or Bristol benchmark, should I say. There is the reversing valve, humongous for a 2-ton. Holy moly. Got that XB13, which I don't think is doing anything. Obviously it has the climate self-reciprocating. Yeah, it's got a freaking climate self. The beautiful, big, beautiful pumpkin. 2009, 1.5 ton. I hate whoever at Tyler put the laminative layer on wrong, so it's crooked now for life. Whoever at Tyler did this, I'm gonna find you. Thankfully it's in a shaded area, so that area of the tag's not faded. Whatever. Got a Bryant Legacy-RNC right here. Got a Copeland scroll. ZRK4 Copeland scroll. That was very common in this era. 2006 2-ton. XB13, this one has a reciprocating. The most beautiful pumpkin. It's got the rotor locks because it's old enough for that. It's a 2010, yeah, 2-ton. Got a Bryant Sentry right here. This actually replaced the 2000 Goodman pump. 2024, 1.5 ton. Yeah. I want to get that one starting up, but that never happened. Yeah, that's it for these ones. On to the next one. That kicked on right as I was walking in. Nice. But anyways, got the Meritcopter. 2023 2-ton. There was that beauty singing away. 1995 2-ton Trane. I could listen to that climate stuff all day. That sounds so beautiful. Going like a champ. 1995 2-ton. Got a Rheem right here. This replaced the Ruud, I'm sorry. This replaced the 2014 Payne. There's a Copeland. That's 5. Got a Performance right here. 2016 1.5 ton. Whoopsie daisy. Another Performance right here. This is like a 2011 or something. Yeah, 2011. It's actually a straight cool. One of the only straight cools in this complex. Here's a Goodman. This replaced a 1998 Goodman CPKE that I got starting up 2 summers ago. Same summer I got that Americopter way over there. Yeah, 2025. It's got a rotary compressor. But yeah. What a freaking beauty that is. Yeah, that's all for this one. On to the next one. I actually never filmed this one that much, so let's finally film it. Got a Payne right here. I think this is like a 2018 or something. No, 2016. Whoopsie daisy. Got a coat and scroll. Maristar. This one, I think the tag is like faded with walls on it. Yes, it is. Well, let's get the ear off our compressor. Yeah. This is 2013. It's got a ZPK5. Here's a 1998 Rheem that my friend Gabriel got starting up. I think about a year ago. Or was it this winter? I don't remember. This one's actually cool. It's got a K1 Copeland. I don't know how you can see it back there, but that's got the ZRK1 Copeland scroll. Probably can't see it too well in there with all the heat components in the way, but this got a K1, which is awesome. I love the K1. Ah, somebody lost a screw. You know what that means. Let's peek at the freaking K1. That's a lie. I'm not doing that. That's tampering the property. I don't like that. 1.5 ton for 1998. Got a Goodman right here. This has a rotary, if I remember right. Oh yeah, it's got a rotary in here. The damn thing. 24. Got a Payne right here. 14. This is a 2019 Payne. A lot of Paynes in this one. Too much cool in this alcove. This 2014 2.5 ton Comfort. Got a 2022 Legacy line. Yeah, very interesting. There's a recent Goodman, I think from 07, 06 or 07. 06. 06. This one's got a seer compressor. Really freaking tall merit. Holy hell. It's a 1.5 ton from 2018. Remember I had a LG compressor. SLG. LG. LG. Smart innovation. Whatever. This is a 2012 2.5 ton Comfortmaker. And for oh nice, somebody put a new compressor. It's got a ZPLX from 2025. There's the emblem. And right next to this Comfortmaker is its sibling from 1985. Yeah, she's an oldie. One of the very last ones left in this complex, which pains me to say, but unfortunately, that's just the reality with old equipment. It's only gonna be disappearing more and more. Oh, that's no good. It just wobbled. I do not want to knock it down. Es no bueno. Es muy no bueno. Yeah, tag's faded, but it's a 85 1.5 ton. Yeah, it's got a reciprocating compressor, like a Bristol. Yeah, there's our service valves, which is nice on an 85 unit. But yeah, that's about it for this one. On to the next one. All right, here's a few units that you all will definitely recognize. These were actually the very first units I ever filmed in the prison. First off, we got this 1985 1.5 ton Comfortmaker. It's long out of service, unfortunately, as far as I know it. So nothing's come out of that. Got a old XB, old, but newer XB13 from 2013. It's a this Goodman actually has, this Goodman replaced a 2005 Duquesne, which would freeze up for about 3 years straight, and then I'm pretty sure that finally killed the compressor. Which side of this Goodman being put in? Yeah, it's a 2025. It's got a Retchy rotary. Oh, they brazed that in. That's pretty interesting, especially for an 812 unit. 25, 2-ton. I don't think my company that I work for brazes. We pro press our units in. There's a Rheem that I got. I think I got this one Ruud, actually. I got this one defrosting a while back. And finally it's gone. And it's got replaced with a straight cool. That's funny. This replaced a 1992 2-ton carrier heat pump that was hacked beyond belief. Like, the panel, the entire freaking panel was missing, and the what the hell, fan motor wires just ran over this ran over the fan shroud and into the fan grill. Crazy works. I don't know how that existed for 4 years and ran, but it did. Yeah, brand new air tank. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. Got a Copeland YAK1 scroll. First A2L motor I've ever seen before. Yeah, A2L baby. 2025 2-ton. That one's raised it. Cool. Got a Payne right here, like 2014 or something. Yeah, 2014. But yeah, that's about it for this alcove. And as stated probably many times in this video, on to the next one, baby. You know, I recognize these ones. There's a ArcoAir R4H4, R4H5 actually, yeah. This replaced a 85 1.5-ton Comfortmaker a few years ago, which I do remember filming back in the day, or back in when I was still a teenager. Or I guess I still am. What am I saying? This is actually the numbers from that old Comfortmaker. 85 1.5-ton. M05. That tells you it's a 5th week of 1985. M represents 85. N is 86. P is 87. That's, Snyder General did it. Old XR. Not old. Got a newer XR right here. Got an Alliance compressor. It's a 2016, I think. Yeah. Got a Comfort right here. This one was frozen really bad back then. 2013 2-ton. It's got a Copeland scroll. Got a Ruud right here. And if I remember right, one of these two had the compressor replaced. I think it was this one. Oh yeah, it was this one. Look at that joint. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 2020. Yeah, just 2020. Yeah, it was written here, but it's gone now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a 2021 Rheem right here. It's got a nice. I guess it wasn't just that one. This one too. Nice. 2021. Yeah, that's about it for this one. Nothing too special. Somebody's not sounding so hot. Us. This is a 2021 Carrier Comfort. Or 2019. Got a air temp. Non-micro channel one, which is nice. It's 2013 1.5-ton. Got a Carrier Comfort right here, 07 or something. Yeah, 2007 1.5-ton. Got a Texas 1000 right here. This is an 03, I remember. Got a CR, beautiful. Love CR compressor. 03 1.5-ton. This one never ever runs. Got a Goodman right here from 2010. I got this one defrosted a couple times. Yeah, 2010 2-ton GSX14. Somebody lost their cat. I'm gonna find them. Anyways, got this 2.5-ton Comfort. Got a Comfort right here. Another Comfort. Probably somewhere here. Not 2016. Whoops. Here's a XB13, which is a 2013, and it has everybody's favorite. It's got the LG compressor. Yeah, no, junk. There's a 98 silencer system, which I know, guys, you want to see this one starting up and defrosting. Me too, bro. This thing is stubborn as hell. I've freaking tried. It's stubborn as hell. It's a 98 1.5-ton. Got a little RPKA right here. This never runs. I bet you $1 million that's the original line system. The Comfortmaker. This one's here. 03 1.5. Rheem right over here. It's got a skull. Ooh, somebody got drunk. 2019. Here's a baby XU1000. Got a baby little Climatehuff in there. A 2000 1.5-ton. The iconic TWR018. The most beautiful XU1000 ever built. My freaking favorite. Or not necessarily. I like the bigger XU1000s. That's all for this one. On to the next one. Spotted this on the way out. Somebody tried to work on this one, but clearly gave up. Hello, schematic. That's for those curious. Yeah, I'm not really gonna touch it beyond that, but yeah, on to the next one. I know you guys are gonna recognize these ones. I've got a ton of content in this alcove. Anyways, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got the Aldi shopping cart and everything. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Got a, this unfortunately replaced a 1985 Comfortmaker heat pump. So did that one. These replaced twins. I will forever curse these units for replacing the beautiful twins. That, although I will be honest, they were 41 years old. That is crazy for a heat pump. Actually, exactly 40. My fault. They were exactly 40, which is crazy for a heat pump. They got their money's worth out of them. It's a 25 2-ton. It's got a Retchie. This is a Smart Comfort. It's a 24. Actually, a very late 410A. 46 week of 24. Super late. Got Copeland scroll. Oh, that's not even original. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a Rheem right here. 2017. Got a XL14i. This is a pretty cool one. Oh, that's nice. They got the freaking factory parts list on the fan motor. That's funny. I didn't even notice that till just now. That shut off. Anyways, this is a pretty cool one. Actually, no, it's an XL69. Whoopsie daisy. 04 2-ton XL69. Got a baby XR14. 20. This is very similar to the TWR18, honestly. It's all Comfort right there. Yeah. 2018 2-ton. That's an amazingly faded tag for 10 years old. Or 8 years old. Somewhere in here there was a capacitor from one of the... Oh, here it is, right here. Yeah, it's a old Aerovox capacitor. It was a 85, 39th week of 85, 25 microfarad. Probably for the compressor, if I had to guess. Old Aerovox, 39th week of 1985. Just leave that there in memory of the beloved twins. Ooh, somebody left their bag. Nice. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Here's the 07 Higher, which I filmed this one a few times. I got it starting up a while back. in heat mode.
It's got a Bristol reciprocating in there, old H21J,
which is a benchmark model, anyways. Got a, I think this is a Fujitsu. Oh yeah, this is a Fujitsu. I got it defrosting a while back. I got a full of this one, 2020, 2-ton. How could I forget that? That was a cool freaking defrost. Anyways, here's a 2024 1.5 ton Ruud Rheem. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ruud. This replaced a 85 Comfortmaker. One of many. The one that was here actually ran. And here is one of 3 remaining 85 Comfortmakers. The rest have unfortunately passed away, which really sucks, but it is what it is. None of the ones that are left are in service, so these will probably be gone soon, which really sucks, but what am I gonna do about it? Save and restore it? Maybe. Right place, right time. Goodman just shut off. This is a 08 210, I think. It's got a CR down there. Yeah, 08. Yeah, it's got a little CR. Come on. Here's a Comfort. This replaced a 2004 1.5 ton XB10. XB10. 2025. About it for this alcove. On to the next one. All right, here's a GSZ13 with a scroll. I think it's a 2011 or something. Yeah, 2010. Whoopsie. Got a GSC14 with a rotary. This replaced a 2005 1.5 or 2 ton. 1.5 or 2, I don't remember. 38 YCC that I got starting up a few summers ago. It's got Retchie, of course. Me no big fan. 2021 or 2022, whoopsie daisy. 1.5 ton. Gibson always used to be a block of ice whenever I'd come here. 2.5 ton, 2014. This panel put up a fight with them and they gave up. Probably lost the screws, I bet. Got a air temp. I wouldn't know if been there, done that, but I found the screws. Got an air temp from 2012. It's a 1.5 ton, 2012. Non-micro channel. Air star right here that's running. This was installed, used, replaced in 2020. Or new old stock, or scratching it. I don't know. Anyways, this replaced the 2020 air temp. After like 2 years. New record. Insane. Jump equipment. Got GSC14, 4 blades. I know somebody's gonna like that. Luke. 2017, 1.5 ton. Me when the Goodman has 4 blades. Yeah, on to the next one. I know y'all recognize these units. These ones actually haven't changed much since the last time I was here. They're all intact. Beautiful. These are the 99 XC1000 twins. That did not sound good. Or it just sounded angry. I don't know. 1999 2-ton. It's got a Climatuf. A beautiful climatologist. Got the rotolocks, which are rusting. Hopefully not leaking yet. Praying. Here's the other 99 2-ton. Again, it's got the Climatuf. That ain't focusing. It's alright. Not lost. Not too much lost there. 99 2-ton. Got a Goodman GSX14 CR. 2008 this is the XL15 I got starting up. I got that XC1000 kicking on too. My friend Gabriel got this XL15 kicking on too. He was here recently. Yeah, 2010 Tucson. Maristar, which was I think like a 2015 or something. Something flew in my face. 2015, 1.5 ton. Here is a CPLE. Riley Special. It's a 1.5 ton from 2005. December of 04 and that was CR. Ooh, that's a rusty filter dryer. I know that motherfucker's leaking, probably. 05, 1.5 ton. Barely read it. I'll let you try. Free Wi-Fi, no virus, no scam to whoever gets that, whoever posts the entire serial number of that Goodman in the comments. Anyways, that'll be it. And on to the next one. Yeah. Okay, here's a GSH13 with a CR. You know, that's a beautiful, big, beautiful CR. It's like an 08 or 08, I think. Yeah, 2008. I got some stuff there. There's a Ruud running. 2021. 1.5 ton. Got an air temp here. This is a freak. This is actually an R22 air temp, if you wouldn't believe that. It's pretty crazy. Hard to believe, but it is an R22 unit. It's got a ZRK5 in there. Yeah, non-micro channel because before it was introduced to heat pumps in 2012, 2-ton. Yeah, crazy. This is Goodman. I actually got this one defrosting at like 5:56 in the morning a few years ago. Yeah, I know. I was a strange child. A very strange child. Yeah, 2020. 1.5 ton. Still am. Got a Heil right here from 2013. Got a base slash comfort. Could be either one. Ooh, it's been running. Cool. It's got a Copeland scroll, obviously. It's a 2010 2-ton, so that's a base series. Yeah, I don't really film this one much, but here you go. Next one. No trash here. Please use the dumpster. What the hell is that in there? Y'all probably recognize these ones. Got a 2019 XR14 right here with an Alliance. But this is my first time seeing this thing running. Climate stuff going in this XR14. Really cool. 2008 2-ton. Shut up. Kicked on and shut off. That's odd. Got a Goodman right here. Somebody scratched off the nameplate, so I have no idea when it's from. That will have the model and serial on it right there, but I don't feel like tampering with people's equipment. That's not my specialty. I don't like that. Es no bueno. Got the very first Miracopter I ever discovered. I was like, what the hell? Linux with 2 blades? It's got a Copeland. Look at that. 2023 2-ton. Here's a 03 Gibson running. Listen to that CR go. Let that old CR do the talking. Anyways. Nice and cold. It's warm. Reasonably so. 2003, 2.5 ton. Here's a rotary Goodman. Like 2023. I just kicked off. Goop. Yeah, it's got a CR in there. One of my favorite sounding compressors right there. Love how those sound. Anyways, that will be it for this alcove. And that being said, on to the second to last one. Alrighty, we are at the second to last alcove in the defrost prism. Here's a Maristar with a Copeland scroll. 2015 1.5 ton. Ruud value. I quite like these units, they're cool. 2014 1.5 ton. Here's a rotary Goodman that replaced a 1999 Goodman CPKE. It's got a Retchie, of course. I like this insulation, it's pretty cool. I'd love to use it once I do an install. 2025. Got a legacy line right here. Oh. Hello, Schrader cap. Probably from old Comfortmaker if I had to guess. That's just chilling there. There are not many of these units. Anyways, 2019 1.5 ton. It's got a scroll, obviously, as all those have. There's a Gibson right here. 08 1.5 ton. It's running. Get out! Here's a 2019 1.5 ton Comfort, which I got this one defrosting a while ago. Yeah, 2019 1.5 ton. Yeah, it was steaming up a storm. It was pretty cool. Somebody took off the caps. Oh, okay, I understand. Stupid locking caps. I hate these things. They suck. I know why they left those off. Props to whoever left those off. They're cool. Anyways. Oh, look at that. I got a whole freaking like metal enclosure for the 240 volt power supply. Still left the old 86 disconnect though, but whatever. That's pretty cool. Anyways, on nice. On to the very last alcove, the final boss of the defrost prison. And just like that, we have reached the defrost prison final boss. Or whatever. Welcome to the final boss. Here's a H2L Rheem. 2025 1.5 ton. This replaced a 1986 1.5 ton Comfortmaker that I actually got starting up before this one was put in. I think September of 2023 I got that other Comfortmaker kicking on. And here is a 93 1.5 ton Trane XC1000 right here. Another little XE with the reciprocating. Climates up recip, should I say? Yeah, it's a 93 1.5 ton. Got a Rheem Classic right here. 2005 1.5 ton. Got a Sentry right here. Anyways, got a Sentry right here. That's got a Copeland scroll as it's shown. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked anyways. This Sentry replaced a 2004 1.5 ton Trane XR11. Or was it a 2 ton? I don't remember. That's back in my videos. It's a 2 ton. Wonder if that's original. I bet you that's. Oh yeah, it's original. Okay, nothing crazy. Belt got stuck. Got a little silver right here from 2019. Bigger silver from 2021. This actually replaced a HP29, which sucks because that was one of the only ones I knew of in this entire area. Really sucks. Anyways, with that is the entire defrost prison. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. On to the next one, or back to the field, I guess.
Over and out.